All right, drink we're about to make is called Scotch Bishop Cocktail. And we're going to serve this up in a martini glass. So I've got some ice and water sitting in there. It's going to get it nice and chilled by the time we're done making the drink. Now, measure out 1 ounce of scotch. And follow that up with a ½ ounce of dry vermouth. And a ½ teaspoon of triple sec. Next, we'll add 1 tablespoon of orange juice and 1/4 teaspoon of powdered sugar. Now we're going to shake it up. Shake it so you get it nice and cold, and also get the powdered sugar dissolved in with the rest of the ingredients in there. All right, pour out your ice water and strain it in. And the last thing we're going to do is just give it a twist of lemon peel. All right, bottoms up.